Welcome unboxing of Isabel LaRosa's Pretty Boy favorite 7-inch vinyl, Preston tan colored vinyl. Some time ago she released Raven on vinyl and I was like, yeah, she might release deluxe, I'm not gonna buy it, not yet, I'm gonna wait for a deluxe. That's how my waiting ended up buying a 7-inch vinyl with 2 album tracks. A really good album tracks. It arrived alongside Crush Hot and Sexy and a couple more that will be coming. There is some piece of vinyl sticking out. Unlike Crush Hot and Sexy, this one isn't warped, so that's great. And what's really annoying me is that UO isn't really decided where the slit for vinyl should be. They not sure whether it should be on top or on the side. I don't know. Maybe they finally have this figured out. And spinning it.
You're my first, God it hurts. Cada luz que tú eres mío. Quiero pasar